Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to recover Clash of Clans account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. In case you are unable to recover your Clash of Clan account or you have issues with getting your Supercell ID credentials back to login, I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Then make sure to visit this page. This is the official Supercell recovery page. Select Recover your Supercell ID. This page recommends you to have a look at your email inboxes. If you feel like someone else is using your Supercell account, then click on Someone Else is Playing My Account. You will then have to send an email to Supercell support containing your player tag, account holder name, account level for the specific game, or the name of the clan or club you were previously part of. This is how you recover Clash of Clans account. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.